A positive mindset can transform your life. Here are some ideas to cultivate a positive brain. 1. Practice gratitude. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. 2. Affirmations and positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with empowering statements like, I am capable and strong. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with positive people, uplifting books, and inspiring content. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Take a few minutes daily to breathe, reflect, and stay present. 5. Growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities to learn rather than obstacles. 6. Healthy body, healthy mind. Exercise. Eat well and get enough sleep to support mental clarity. 7. Acts of kindness. Helping others boost your own happiness and self-worth. 8. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. It trains your brain for success. 9. Limit negativity. Reduce exposure to negative news, gossip, or toxic people. 10. Laugh and have fun. Laughter is a natural stress reliever. Find joy in little things. Would you like any specific strategies for your goals?